Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to hide text. As example, I will select this text paragraph, and if you want to hide, you can press Control button plus Shift and then plus H. So it will be automatically hide the selected text. Now to show the text, you can click the paragraph mark, you can click this icon and will be show the text, and you can sort again or select the text objects, press again shift plus control and then plus H to show, and then you can click again to close from this paragraph mark. Okay, to hide again you can select the text object, press control button plus shift and then plus H. And then to show for the hidden text, you can click paragraph mark, and then you can select the text object, press again control button plus shift and then plus H. After it, you can close the paragraph mark. Okay, that's it for basic Microsoft Word tutorial, how to hide text. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.